In this video, we are going to learn how to write a code for a column chart. Okay, you already learned for a line chart and bar chart. So there is only difference horizontal and vertically in the column and bar chart. In last video, I already told you how we can record macros for when you have a same kind of data and a repetitive data. There you can must prefer the record macros and save macros and perform it. Okay, so let's see with the using of like a writing of code. So go to developer tab again and click the, if you want to shortcut, alt F11 and click on the visual basics for your code. Then your developer tab will be open and then this window will be show it for you. Now check your where you are, like which sheet you are working on. Like, okay, so my sheet is a column chart. You can find it out and right click on that, go to insert and a module. Okay, so then this window will be open for your your code. Okay, so write code on this code editor. Now start with the your name of your code or macros. So create column chart. Okay, so chart object is the for you are mentioning the chart. Okay, so that chart object which where you want to apply as active sheet, because this is my active sheet. Then dot chart object add left, this is our length and the width of your chart. Okay, so this is a very simple code, and then you can prefer as a range. Okay, so you can see chart object, as a chart object we gave it as a short name chart obj. Now chart object then dot, because this is the object you are working on, so chart object dot chart set a source data. Okay, so source data, source is from range a1 to b6. If you have a1 to a10 to b1 to b16, whatever you have, mention it your range here. Okay, and because I am using this sheet, that's why I mentioned it here active sheet. Okay, so then again chart object, you want it chart type. Now which chart type you want? xl dot column clustered. Okay, I want a column clustered. Now what is the name or text you want to give it that chart? That will the monthly sales. Okay, so this is a very stepwise procedure. You can see how it's easy. Now after that you can save this code and perform it with the using macros as well, or you can just run it from here. Now you can see how the width, everything is properly, and with the name of the monthly sale as well. Okay, so this is how easy you can do with the code if you have a same kind of format, you can say, and that values are changing but the formatting of your data is always same. You can perform this to avoid your repetitive task.